The Swedish brand Volvo is developing its new top-of-the-range electric car to replace the XC90. The model is to be styled as a station wagon. The company wants the car will be the first step in the automaker's new lineup. It is also reported that the car is to be named Volvo Embla 2023. The design of the car has a new style recharge, which could be seen earlier in the concept car of the same name. It is extremely minimalist. The Volvo Embla is based on a redesigned structure that allows more space for the battery by changing the position of the wheels. The battery pack that is supposed to be part of the powertrain will likely be developed in a new joint venture with Swedish firm Northvolt. Volvo has not yet mentioned any specific specs, but it is known that the company is aiming for a 50% improvement in battery efficiency compared to its current counterparts. Eventually, it could be capable of driving up to 600 miles on a single charge, but this should be possible only towards the end of the decade. The car will be four-wheel drive, but there's no word on electric motor power or range. There are sensors installed all over the car for 360-degree visibility. A new system may also be introduced that will give autonomous driving capability. All models of the Swedish brand are considered to be very safe, and this car is no exception. There is driver monitoring installed in the cabin to make sure that the driver is keeping his eyes on the road. The entire system of the model will be running Android. There should be more space for passengers in the cabin. The entire future range of the brand may well have names from Scandinavian mythology, just like this future debutante. But there is a chance that the names will remain traditional. The Embla is likely to replace the XC90 and will deliver top-end performance. We might see the final version of the car by the end of this year. It won't differ much from the concept.